ダニエルとユカ。
すごい綺麗。Hey everyone, I'm Daniel.
Hi everyone, I'm Yuka.
Today we are doing a bit of a walk around by Tokyo Skytree and the golden Asahi Beer building, which is that great big golden, it sort of looks like a twisty. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. I got the craft beer set. So Kolsch style, a Weiss beer, which is a white Weizen beer. Weizen, yeah. Pale ale and a stout. Omoshiroi. Okay, here is the Tokyo Sumidagawa Pale Ale. But this is the dark stout. So this is sort of black beer. It's a little bit like Guinness. Very chocolatey and dark. Okay, so we're still walking here. We just stopped for a beer break at the Asahi craft beer shop. So that was pretty cool. Man, it's such a beautiful day here in Tokyo. Blue sky, just a few clouds over here. The streets are pretty empty. Azumabashi Koban. Here we are walking to Tokyo Skytree. It's almost right next to us. Check out this. This is an unlimited coffee bar. Barista Training Lab, Tokyo. Second floor Barista Training Lab. First floor unlimited coffee. Look at this, unlimited coffee. That sounds pretty sick. Raspberry Cafe Mocha. Torabubashi. Torabubashi. This dude is fishing here. Man, the streets are still so empty. I remember being here 2 years ago and there were so many tourists everywhere. Oh, so many stairs. Let's get it up.
So the ticket price to go up to the Tokyo Skytree is 3,100 yen for adult over 18 years old. And high school, junior high school kids 2,350, under 11 years old 6 to 11 1,450.
Tembo deck. No, combo deck. The elevator going up to the Tembo deck, which is at 350 meters. Then we can catch another elevator up to the Tembo Galleria. So that's how they differentiate the pricing for the tickets.
Next up is the Tokyo Skytree Tembo deck, floor 350. Tokyo Skytree Tembo deck, floor 350. ドアが開きます。指などを挟まれないようにご注意ください。
It's so fast.
足元の段差にご注意くだ
Now
さい。
350.
足元の段差にご注意ください。
That's pretty cool. They still have all the Tokyo 2020 stuff up here. Nah. Get it. So go get it. But see that company down there advertising on the rooftop. That's e-tax. I need to do some of my taxes. I need to consider my Japanese taxes. Oh, e-tax. This painting, which was painted in 1809 by Kuwagata Keisai, the clan painter for the Tsuyama clan, is a bird's eye view of the entire city of Edo, depicting the town's lifestyles and culture of the time. With a population of over 1 million people, Edo was one of the world's major urban centers of the era. Interestingly, this bird's eye composition of the bustling towns of Edo and the Sumida River, with Mount Fuji in the background, overlaps with the view from the Tokyo Skytree and gives viewers a sense of the history and urban culture that lives on from Edo to Tokyo. This painting is exhibited here as a symbol of the Tokyo Skytree, which transcends space and time and links Edo, the present, and the future. Boy. It's a little bit scary. Here we are looking at souvenirs. Tokyo Skytree.
かいね。
Oh, Tokyo, Paris. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the Tokyo Skytree mini tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like button, click the subscribe button, and ring the bell for the notifications. See you on the next one.